we're very resistant to change. If we see something is the way we're doing it has been sort of working, we're always resistant to change. We've gone about with job descriptions the way they are for the last, 50, 60, 70 years. Why would we change? So it's a hard conversation. How do we as HR teams who have been drastically cut in the last 10 to 15 years find the hours and the manpower ourselves to make some of these transformational changes?
I can see, and we're privileged to work with, some incredibly large customers. And I genuinely believe that it won't be the HR decision. Like, there's going to be a critical event that's going to happen to the business that the HR has to meet the moment. Whether it's about efficiency and cost and like right-sizing businesses, whether it's about velocity, productivity, speeding up work to worker, or whether it's the AI, there is going to be something, and I'm already seeing it with customers, that there's kind of like a scurry to try and solve this problem.
I'm glad you brought that up, because for me, that's how, unless you are very well versed in sort of taking your seat at the table, and you're right, like that phrase I used to say when I was younger, I was like, I don't even want the table, flip the table upside down, right? Get rid of it.